Bring it on.
Just cut and toss, huh?
That's all I usually end up doing. Oh boy.
In essence, we're right here. Fit.
Oh my god.
A little tight.
That's sick. Oof.
Like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that spalting. I'm gonna switch his sides.
It smells good. That's wild. What'd you call it? Smolting?
Spalting, it's where a fungus gets inside the wood.
This looks cool too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that makes great spoons.
Really?
Yeah, it sure does.
About to do it again. I was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah.
That was close to the lines.
Yeah. I mean, that was like, not close enough. I think to knock them down, but
No, the tips would have broke. It would have been fine.
all right.
What's that? Dude, it's so much scarier than climbing. You hit the control and it takes a second and then it just takes off. I'm definitely not used to it. All right, so we'll get that piece out of the way.
Yeah. Or of course rigging on itself. I'm sure that was.
Probably about right, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to take a bigger piece?
Yeah, we can drop these straight down.
I'm getting used to it.
Yeah. That's where we're going, Brad.
Like on your tip needs a little. There's some house drops down there and the tips are over.
Yeah.
Now can we get any more? If we go, is this as far as we go or is this maxed out?
It's maxed out. The more you go down, the further out it's going to be.
But then we lose pole fall.
Yeah.
Brad! Pole fall!
And they're smaller.
The chain needs tightened up. We'll send a rope down.
You know what I usually do though?
What?
I usually climb out of this thing. I'll put this as high as I can get it, and I'll climb. You should have.
I would be fine climbing out of this thing, but not on this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, I guess you leave. If you were to go out on this, you just tie in here
I'd go up as high as I could to where I could reach, like still get over to it.
and just use this as a tie-in.
Yeah.
Is that better than our pole sawing option?
Well, then I'll get hands on it.
Pole saw.
Get a hand on it. Nice.
Oh yeah.
If it's like, you just gonna end up working? What? Maybe. Maybe.
Ooh, she's a little sticky.
Feel like here.
Can you pull that back a little bit? I can't hardly get anything out of it.
Sorry.
Here, hold that too.
Oh no. Oh. Can it reach? I don't know yet.
It'll reach something. Hey, look at that. That's a nice place to cut. Look at him go. Plenty of room there. I mean, that's all the hardest parts of the tree are done now. Do you ever wait for everything to stop shaking before you go into the next movement, or you just totally ignore the sway?
Just normal. Like just, cause I'm just like matching the movement. But like you ever like you'll notice like if we're real close, I'll wait. We'll sway back and I'll cut, and it sucks us back into it.
I saw when you were using the pulling end, you know, the bottom part of the bar.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it sucked the whole boom in.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
But yeah, I just kind of. I wouldn't say we're waiting for settle. I'm like,
that's kind of my natural instinct is to wait until it calms down a little bit and then I'll make the next movement, which I know that's not efficient at all.
Or wait till it's moving real crazy, and like you'll match the move. Like as it's going that way, and right before it comes back, you hit it with the hit. Like it's like a motion. Like
that's got to be something you just learn from experience.
Yeah. It's just a feeling.
I don't have that yet.
But hard to explain that one.
Pretty cool. I didn't introduce Mitchell. This is Mitchell. He owns Oakland Tree Care out of, are you Oakley? Is that where you live? Cincinnati. We'll just say Cincinnati. We've been working together for how many years? Quite a while. We've done hundreds and hundreds of jobs together.
At least since 2019.
Yeah, at least. All right. Just thought I should introduce you.
How you doing?
Nice and flat.
Mm-hmm. Bugs me, right? Because now I would love to go lower boom, not upper boom, but they're doing both.
So
It's like-
hold on. Explain that again.
So like right now, we're trying to go down, right? And we're gonna hit this tree. Okay, well ideally I can lower my lower boom and just not touch up here. Well, when I'm going down and this scenario, this lift, the lower one's going down with it. It's a combination of both.
So both move at the same time, so we can't get where we want to go.
Not how we are. No, you got to reposition it in a different way. Like I'll have to go up, go like out, and then come back under it.
What about taking the basket go in anymore right there?
So that's it.
Oh, that's it.
I might go a hair more on this part.
That should be enough, right? Pretty close.
But usually it wants to hit it. Let's see. That's good for that cut. But you see what I mean? Like
Yeah, I
and
definitely do.
If you could do lower boom, you'd be all over this thing.
You take that. Is this the thing people do with their saw lanyard? Is that typical of it? I mean,
I've done it with the bigger
threw that
saw.
on there.
It seems to work. Success.
I like that. What do you think of that little 261?
Oh, I love it.
Are you gonna port yours now?
I like it. That sounds great.
I wonder if our audio is all going to be crap because all these cars won't be able to hear us at all. Well, I feel like I've gotten some really good tips from you today. Just for efficiency's sake, you should probably start steering a little more. And you would normally do all this by yourself? You don't typically have two guys up in them? I mean, I know that...
Oh, the lift part, yeah. I'm digging the gravel driveway.
Me too. Gravel's nice. We're not really messing anything up, even though we're dropping several 100-pound chunks.
Oh yeah, I know what we can do over here.
What can we do while we're right here?
The
Oh,
mass.
get our hangers out. Yeah, we should do that. Let you dangle
Looks
for a
like
bit.
too many, really.
Poor Brad. Brad, do you want to get up here?
Looking handsome as can be, though.
Brad's scared. If we had a machine, we could just pull this thing over now.
Yes.
I do have a truck. I'm not doing bad. It's 1140. 80% of the trees on the ground. Just some easy chunking left to do. So have you found it? Is it helpful at all to have me up here? Is it nicer with you guys, or is it just about the same or worse?
Just different. Depends on the situation. There's sometimes I wish someone was up here. Like there's like certain big wood jobs where if you're trying not to rope everything down,
Yeah.
you want someone to help you push it or something like that.
Yeah, I'll get the 660 out. I might do the 500i.
Thank you.
Well, the first thing you've done today.
I tied it on.
You did tie it on. Oh man, he taught me so much stuff up there. That's all that's left. So we'll get the lift out of the way and we'll just flop this thing over. Let's flop this spar.
It's a thick one.
Clean that up a little.